Hey everybody, welcome back to the Financial Lit Podcast. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season, a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. And I wanted to welcome you into 2022 with a quick video. So let's get into it. 2021 was awesome. We had a lot of growth. We had a lot of new members, new people open up IVA accounts, new people understand the difference between commercial jurisdiction and our ecclesiastical state, which we operate in with our trust, how they can effectively syndicate their cash flow together in an IVA account to acquire assets bigger and greater than they could on their own. We've included all types of different people from all types of different walks of life across all our communities, not just in the United States, but in other countries since we're a global effort. It's been amazing. We also opened up our AP1 pool. That's our asset pool 1. What this means is we're able to start syndicating money together and actually acquire some assets. So we have our cash flow family members who have IVA accounts, who are eligible to use those IVA accounts. They're actually throwing in money into our asset pool 1. As we get the pot right, we're going to acquire whole life insurance and term insurance via our syndication, via our trust. And what we have in excess for this API 1, this asset pool 1, we're going to throw into asset pool 2, AP2. Now, AP2 is going to focus specifically on real estate acquisitions. Us as a trust, our iCovest, Sovereign Ecclesiastical Trust, is going to syndicate wealth with our other members. And we are going to acquire a piece of real estate that cash flows in 2022. We're also going to acquire these life insurance policies that we've been syndicating in 2022. In addition to that, we're rolling out version 2 of our mobile app. It's amazing. Our version 1 was great, but version 2, we actually have the ability to hold NFTs, cryptocurrencies, fractionalized NFTs, our ICO, AU, AG, our gold and silver, even CQR dollars. It's a digital form of your actual Federal Reserve note dollars that you can have in our wallet. You can actually transition between the digital dollars in the IVA and our ICOs in silver or our ICOs in gold, or you can actually transition from your Bitcoin or Ethereum or any of these crypto positions in the wallet and transfer them over into ICO AU or ICO AG, that's silver and gold, and obviously learn why you'd want to do that, your mandatorily tax accepted status, no capital gains, etc. There's many reasons why you'd want to store wealth here in a vehicle like this. But ultimately, to leverage that position to acquire assets that cash flow with other members of the cash flow family that you just decided to participate in. So as you can tell, we're very excited with version 2 of our mobile app coming out in 2022. It should be done in the next few weeks, actually, with the rollout and the build. And last but not least, we are bringing fractionalized NFTs into our space. NFTs are changing the game in various forms, right? The smart contracts, actually taking a digital representation of a physical asset and claiming ownership via a smart contract is huge. Assets all over the place can be NFT. They can be minted in NFT, and they can be actually fractionalized over that NFT to provide value to a larger group of people. Like a syndication, for example, or like us in iCovest syndicating our wealth together to acquire an asset that cash flows. That cash flowing asset could be an NFT. It could be an NFT that is actually pegged to a real swath of assets. Maybe it's a swath of real estate. Maybe it's a whole bunch of gold or silver sitting there. And we're the rightful owners. The trust is the rightful owners. So the trust, as the rightful owner, wants to mint an NFT saying that, I am clearly the rightful owner of this asset. And as the trust, I'm going to actually fractionalize that NFT over a bunch of different beneficial interest units. And that beneficial interest can go to our cash flow family members as they helped us syndicate the money to acquire whatever it was that we acquired in the first place. They might be able to own a piece of that asset that we own as a trust, whether that's gold or silver or real estate or what have you. Whatever real physical asset that you can actually put a smart contract to via NFT, we can fractionalize. And of course, the silver lining that sees through everything that iCovest does, anything you do with our trust is mandatorily tax accepted. We are qualified capital, baby. So put it in here. Let's go. We're off to the races. And if you want more information on the ins and outs, the why, the what, the how, the law, everything that you need to know to effectively operate in a jurisdiction like this, please just get in my inbox. You can DM me, you can text me, you can call me, you can actually just email me, or you can get into CQR link. I can show you anything that you want to know on this topic. All you have to do is get in front of me. You can find my personal Instagram account, nicholas.p.gonzalez. You can also find my business Instagram account at Financially Lit. You can find us at iCovest.life. You can find us at iCovest.academy. You can also get in touch with me by just simply emailing me. If it's something that's commercially regulated, nick@iCovestcapital.com. If it's something that has to do with our trust and everything I talked about today, n.gonzalez@iCovest.life. Either way, plenty of ways to get a hold of me. I have a cell phone. It's a direct line, 602-517-1329. You can text me, you can call me. You don't have an excuse anymore. So let's get in the races. If you have an idea of what you want to do with your cash flow, how you want to grow it, how you want to put together a game plan so that you can create generational wealth within your family or within your community, then get in my inbox. Let's do this together, and I'll show you how it's done. Thanks.